Alright, so this is a video of 3236 California, 3rd floor. And right now, pointing down the steps to the entrance. This is a 3rd floor apartment, so there are 2 flights to come up here. That's a rear entry door, so looking at the alley right now. And then I'm going to flip you around and we're going to enter the apartment. Standing here in a little hallway at the top of the stairs. And our current resident has been gracious enough to allow us to film this video while they're still here. So this is their furniture, and I'm just going to go ahead and walk you through into this open area right here. And as we step into it, we're looking straight ahead, obviously, at the kitchen. We got a little dining area set up over here. And then off to my right, by the entry, got a bathroom with some nice subway tile, basket weave pattern. All new, redone within the last 3 years or so. This is early 2025. And then looking back out this way, take you through to the kitchen. We got some nice shaker cabinets, new backsplash, stainless steel appliances. We got a breakfast bar over here. Current resident does not have any bar stools, but they would fit here. And then they've got a little table for 3 set up here. And we're looking over toward the living room right now. Walk you in through there. Apparently it's a dual living room office in this setup, which is nice. Got some good natural light up here. There's some cool windows in this apartment. Shoot you back this way. Looking at the office and then out into the kitchen. And then far out there at the front of the room, I'm walking towards the in-unit washer dryer closet. See, we got a stackable unit right here, and then there's some storage back here behind the water heater as well. Back out of that. Shooting back toward the entry, there's a little table set up there at the top of the stairs. Behind this chair in this closet is a furnace. So we've got forced air, central air here. And then if you need to change furnace filter, that's where you do it, inside that closet. And we'll be walking back here into the bedroom. There we go, nice shot of that. We've got 2 windows here, larger one there, and then sort of a porthole nautical themed one there to the front towards California. And then get back in this corner and shoot out this way a little bit. You'll be able to see the main closet is right there. These storage units here are like IKEA aftermarket type things, and the current resident will be taking those with them, I believe. So those may not be here once you see this in person. All right, walking back out into the open area. Again, shot of the kitchen, scanning over to the laundry, scanning over to the bathroom. And then back to the entryway foyer, and where we just came from the bedroom. Then we're looking at dining, and again, living room office set up over here. Again, this is 3236 California, 3rd floor, and there is 1 parking space in back on the parking pad in the alley that would be allocated to this unit. And that's about all I can think of right now. So if you have any questions about the unit, please let us know, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.